Does email marketing increase sales? Another very important question right now. We are going to see whether email marketing helps you to increase the sale or not, right? This particular question, so many people ask because when they try to learn email marketing, they don't know whether that particular marketing strategy will help them to increase the sale or not, right? But one thing which you need to understand, when you are starting a YouTube channel just to sell your product and services, you are not sure in that time also, right? But still you are trying to learn how to do YouTube career in the right way, how to make your company's channel, run that particular channel, give a lot of content to your target audience so that you can win the trust of them, right? You are doing that, but still you are not sure about it, right? So in that time you don't have any doubt whether you will be able to do that or not, right? You just learn that particular thing because you want to do that, right? So the same thing happens to the email marketing also. Email marketing is doing by so many people nowadays in internationally, right? Some marketers are using this particular this particular strategies. You can just scroll Facebook, everybody is asking for your email only. You just have to go to the Instagram, you have to just scroll. Someone try to sell you book, program, seminar, so many things. They try to sell you every single time. In order to build that particular relationship, they ask you the email. So my question is to you, why they are asking the email from you? You need to ask this particular question to yourself. You need to understand this fact is that right now everybody is looking for the email only, because they know that with the email only they can start building the relationship with you. They can send you personalized email, they can send you promotional email, they can help you in the form of a content, they can provide you that particular kind of a email, right? So that's why email marketing is used by so many marketers, because they know ultimately I'm going to sell through my email, right? When you have a landing page, you can't just give the landing page URL to every customer of yours, right? You cannot do that. You have to first build the relationship. On first email you are trying to give the content about something which can help you target audience, right? Second email content, third email content, fourth email content, fifth is a promotional email. So on the fourth email, on the first to four email, you already build the trust, you already build the credibility with your audience. In that time, once you send the fifth email, they will definitely go and click to that particular landing page of yours. That's why people are able to sell their product, because when you have a landing page, when you have a website, you need to first build the relationship with the email to your target audience. Once you're able to do that, then you can share your website link, then you can share your landing page link, then you can able to share your product and services link, where people can go and people can just look at that, what kind of a services which you are selling, what kind of a product which you are selling. And if it is very very easy for them to understand that, if they trust you, and if they require the product and services of yours, then they are going to buy to you. Otherwise, if they are not buying your product, you need to understand that they don't need your product right now. And maybe if they are not buying right now, that does not mean that they are not going to buy in the future. So again, give the content to them. That's how you can build a relationship, and that's why email marketing is helping people to increase the sale. You cannot think that email marketing is not helping people to sell. If it is that, then nobody will use email marketing. That you need to understand. And if you understand this particular thing, then learn about email marketing, try to do that in the right way. And you can join this particular channel, or you can start watching videos of brand marketer. I think I forget the name, but I will just put it over here. So be connected with this particular YouTube page. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, make sure to comment down below. Thank you.